Hello friends, welcome to Azure 204, Developing Solutions for Microsoft Azure Lab 12. So in this lab, we'll focus on monitoring of the Azure resources or Azure applications like web app, function app, logic app and all. Okay. So that being said, let's begin the video. Here's the lab scenario. It says that you have created an API for your next big startup venture. Even though you want to get to market quickly, you have witnessed other ventures fail when they don't plan for growth and have too few resources or too many users. To plan for this, you have decided to take advantage of the scale out features of Microsoft Azure App Service, the telemetry features of application insights, and the performance testing features of Azure DevOps. So primarily, as I said earlier, we'll be working on web app and application insights. So we are going to cover this particular lab in 4 exercises. Exercise 1, here we'll go and create the Azure resources. In 2, we'll go and create a web app and then we'll monitor by using application insights. In the exercise 3, we'll monitor a web app using application insight. So here in the 2, we'll monitor a local web app and here we'll create a web app on Azure. In the last exercise, we'll clean up the resources. Okay. Before we dive into the practical video, just make sure that you guys have Microsoft GitRepo on your local and you do also have VS Code installed on your machine, and please open this particular URL in your browser's tab. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video.